Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, we are doing a little vlog. I'm gonna be here, there and everywhere, vlogging throughout the day, throughout the week. You know how it is. Today I thought I'd take you shopping with me. I don't normally like to vlog in public, but for you guys I'm going to. I'm also not loving the outfit today. I did have plans to wear like a burgundy jacket with a burgundy hat. Ended up wearing a full black outfit, black jeans, black Uggs, my leopard print hat. Let's go shopping. I'm currently in Primark. I've seen so much stuff I love. These boots are super cute. Obsessed with this bag. All of that's cute. So far I've picked up 2 things. I've seen this bag everywhere since I've walked in, so of course I've had to grab it. It's £14. And then I've also picked up this bag because I just couldn't. It's £12. I can't tell if I like this like fleece gilet moment. I also really like those, but they're a bit too fluffy, like pyjama vibes for me. I've been looking for a bodysuit like this for so long with like the little buttons. I might pick that up, I don't know. Do they have other colours? No, that's just plain. Feels really nice quality. Bags are so adorable from Rita Ora. £16. I've got them in the beige and the black. These are nice as well, but they look too much like giraffe print. They've got the viral jumpers in. I've already got all these colours, so I don't need any. They're fully stocked in all the colours. I'm not going to record too much in Primark just because I am doing a vlog for it as well on TikTok, but in other shops I'll definitely show you. Primark was successful. I didn't vlog too much in there, as I said, so sorry for my camera angles in this video. I'm still new to vlogging outside and I'm slightly embarrassed. I'm taking my stuff back to the car because I've literally got so much stuff in Primark I can't be asked to carry it around. I really need to get a drink. However, this is not giving sleigh. Is the boot going to open? Oh, just about. Oh, what have I got in there? Got my big Primark bag in there. I'll give you a little haul when I get home. I'm in here the other day with my boyfriend and I spotted this jacket and I was obsessed with it. I just don't need another jacket, but I'm currently in M&S, by the way. Sorry for the switch up. Again, this is great. How much is this? 69. So worth 69 because that's so thick. They've also got like black ones as well. I've never had a look at their jeans, but I heard they had petite. Oh, those leopard print are lovely. I'm so hot. It's so hot today. I was not expecting it to be this hot. I'm fully wearing like a knitted jumper, jeans, hat and a long coat. These say short length. I'm really not in the mood to be trying jeans on, but jackets keep giving because it's stunning. And so is this one. This one's a bit more pricier. This is 89. No, 79. I really do like that though. It feels really nice quality. I'm loving so many totes, but brave of me because I don't actually use tote bags. I need the pink net in that picture, but it's nowhere to be found. I found a pink cardigan, but it's not what I want. That's too thin. I feel like everywhere is just loving bags this season because this is so nice. I just don't like how it's leather on the back. This chainmail would be cute if the strap wasn't like that. I feel like that makes it look cheap, but I love that colour chainmail. This jewellery, I really need some silver jewellery. I don't have much. I never like any of it when I see it. It's like gold. I'm so attracted to like gold. That cuff there, stunning. God, Christmas sections. I can't look at Christmas sections without my boyfriend, so I'm going to swiftly leave that all there. I don't know why, because it's not like he says I can't, but I have to look at them all with my boyfriend. It just is a thing we do. I'm currently in shoes. I don't really know why. I'm on the hunt for burgundy boots, but faux leather? No, I need them to be just a normal texture. I feel like I've kind of looked at all the good stuff. It's mainly like coats. This basic's nice. I don't know really where else to go. I could go in H&M. There's not that many good shops in this town. Better than my local town because that is awful. It's so huge in here, I'm lost. I don't know how to get out. It's so big, I actually don't know how to get out. Coming into H&M now. I see some long coats. I'm loving long coats this autumn winter. I'm wearing a black one, but it's from Boohoo. I might be going to Paris soon in November. Fingers crossed. I'm pretty sure it's going ahead. And I need some like Parisian, is that even a word? I don't know. Like stuff, and I don't have much. I'm looking for like a striped knitted jumper to wear with like boots. This is the vibe I'm going for, like the hat. This is pretty much, hopefully you can see, the waistcoat I got in Primark. So if you can't get it in Primark and you like it, there's some in H&M. This teddy coat, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Sorry if I'm being so quiet guys, it's because it's so quiet in here. I don't want to be screaming. Stop it. No, I don't need a coat. I don't need any more coats. That's cute. With like jeans for Christmas time. This is defo giving Paris. Not my style, but it's defo giving Paris. Something not so cute. I do not like the colour of that and just the style. Everything about that is not. This is very Paris vibes, and so is this. Oh, that's nice. That's kind of what I'm looking for. I want the stripes to continue. I know that's a bit picky. Ugh, V-neck, what the hell? I hate when you get catfished by something. But like you think it's cute and then you actually go up to it and it's ugly. Why is shopping such a hot activity? I'm probably not going to be able to vlog much in here because Sabrina's playing, which is stunning. But on TK Maxx, they've got so much Korean skincare, so much stuff in this one. I've got this colour well in here. I mean, it's got no lid. The makeup is never good in mine. They always have so much Steve Madden. Snake print. Got a glittery one there. I never can find any good bags in TK Maxx. Everyone always finds so many. I do think that's cute though. I did just go in Superdrug, but I wouldn't dare record in there. They would think I'm plotting a plan to bagel the whole place. I worked at Superdrug, so I know why. Maybe I'll try on this one actually. It's kind of like the one in Primark. That is really nice. Just really don't need a jacket, do I? I think if I was to get any, I'd probably get the Primark one because the colour was a bit cooler, supposed to warmer, because I wear like all brown. I don't know, I think it's cute. Why does shopping make you so hot? I really hope the machine just scans my number plate so I don't have to reach out, because like, why are my car windows either so small or it's because I'm sat the height I'm sat at, because oh, she touched my face. I'm sat a little bit high. I think I'm gonna go grab a matcha. Wasn't successful in the sense I didn't vlog that much, but guys, please just bear with me. Can you just praise me in the comments for even getting the camera out, okay? I'm trying. I will be more confident soon, but it was my first time. I do really need the toilet as well, but I couldn't brace it because I had to take everything off. But when I tried that coat on at TK Maxx, it was too much. I have just got back. I'm going to cook myself some vegan bacon in a sandwich tin. I'm gonna cook probably the rest of the pack. I think there's like 4 bits in here. Pop them in the air fryer for 5 minutes and have something to eat because it's so late. It's now 3:10 and I still haven't eaten. I don't like it too crispy, to be fair, so I might just leave it at that. Oh my god, it actually looks so good. That is my lunch, my vegan sandwich bacon sandwich. I'm so excited to eat this. Hello guys, it is the next morning. I'm halfway through doing my makeup. This is like practice makeup for an event I've got on Saturday, which I'll be vlogging. Not in this vlog, but it'll be in the next. I'm not very good at eyeshadow, so this will do. I've got my gym jacket on because I not long got off the treadmill. I think I need to clean my sponges so bad. I think tomorrow I'm going to tan. What we think so far. One thing I don't like, as you know, is powdering. I feel like I look so weird. I haven't done my lashes yet. I've just done my lips. I've been obsessed with this lip combo whenever I want like an actual like lip look. Normally I just do lip liner. Get a Girl by Doll Beauty. And then the NYX Soft Matte in London, just like patted in the middle. Looks so good. I am going to add a gloss, which I don't know if it's going to go. Not a bad job for a girl that isn't very good at makeup. It'll do. It will do. Hello everyone. I don't know how long you are going to stay there for because I have a very not stable dash for you to sit on currently. I literally just had to start you guys because obviously I'm not going to go on my camera while I'm driving because that's not safe. So I'm going to quickly talk to you and then I'm going to park up because I don't think there's any traffic lights. Just fell. This is not going well at all, and it's probably rattling because I can hear something rattling. I'm off to my brow appointment. The girl that does my brows has actually moved, so now she's got her own salon basically next to my nail tech, which is great. So it's not far from me at all. I'm actually getting brow lamination today, which I haven't had in ages. We normally just do maintenance, so like a tin and a wax, but I'm getting lamination again because I haven't had it in so long. I am now waiting in the car park opposite the road that I need to go down just because obviously I can't go there early. I'm going to get my brows done. I'll show you when I'm done. I'll probably have no makeup on my forehead because obviously she's got to wipe it off around my brows. So these are my brows before. I'm missing this end of my eyebrow because when I was actually at Coachella, I had brow lamination, but unfortunately a lot of my brow hairs fell out. I'm not sure why because I've had brow lamination many times. We've waited quite a few months. That was obviously April and it's like October now. But we're gonna try again. I'm excited to see her new salon and get my brows done. I have just got home. This light's probably gonna, yeah, stay on. Half my makeup is off that I put on my face. I just put like a little bronzing drop on. They may be dark for some of you, but once I put makeup on and stuff, they look great. But yeah, I absolutely love them. Here is a better look at my brows. So lamination and tint and wax, obviously. I feel like you guys are just used to the mess now. Like whenever I'm doing something, everything's a mess just because that's how I work. I tidy after. I'm currently trying on outfits because I'm going to Manchester for the weekend. I'm taking loads of content there because I need to up my Instagram game. So trying on outfits. I've currently got this co-ord on from PLT. It's suede. I popped on some brown tights, which I love, but I've popped these boots on. These are also suede and I just feel like they don't go, but I don't have any other boots really. This bag's like a similar colour. It's not the same. Oh, you know what? I might just go with it. I ordered a couple bits from Zara, which I'm just going to open now. That looks really nice. It's super oversized, but I think that could be cute. No way, was it that much? What? £90? Surely not. Oh, I love that. So it's like a play suit. So it looks like two separate pieces. Wow, that's really nice. I feel like it's giving Paris vibes. This knit cardigan. What size did I grab this in? I got this in a medium because I wanted it kind of oversized. Cute. Some leggings from the kids section. Not leggings. Joggers. These are 13 to 14. Let me try these on. Wow, they're so nice. Oh my god. Then I got this knit cardigan. I got this in a small, which is the smallest size, because it looked not obviously identical to the maybe one, but similar. Really nice quality. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's cropped. I wanted this to be like long. Got these trousers from the kids section. I feel like they're just a bit nicer than just a plain trouser. They're really cute. I'll try those on as well, just because I might want to wear them in Manchester. I'm wearing a sports bra because I was on the treadmill earlier and I came straight in here. These are nice. I really like these. I like the pop of white. I feel like it just adds something. Joggers are unreal. I wish they had pockets. They don't have pockets, which is a bit weird, but yeah, these are literally perfect. Love the colour of these as well. These would be perfect for the airport or something. I'm going to keep these on while I pack, just because, in case you guys see anything. From a brand called Comfort. It's literally so good. If I told you guys why I'm going to Manchester, also I have no tan on my face. My skin is awful. I'm actually going for the Clomana event. She's doing a boob ball. It's a charity event for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and the theme is black tie. So I've got 2 dresses to bring with me just in case, and then me and my boyfriend are staying up there for a few nights, so I'll do another vlog for that. I've got my suitcase with a label on. It's got loads of stuff in from when I went to Turkey. My case is gonna be so full. It's gonna have like coats in and stuff. I thought this jacket was so cute from Boohoo. I need to take these boots, but I do need to clean them. This is my extra dress I'm gonna bring. I also ordered a bag of Vinted because the bag I ordered originally I wasn't loving. I am now pretty much done. I just need to add my black boots, my makeup bag and my makeup brushes, and then I'm all packed. To be fair, it didn't take too long. I got my outfits together super quickly. Hopefully I have enough stuff for all the activities we're doing. I've got my dress. I've just put it on the door, so I put it in my car. Shoes, I'm waiting for my bag. I'm waiting for my Sisters and Seekers outfit for the event. But yeah, I'm pretty much packed. I'm sorry, why am I getting so brave when it comes to looking like this on the internet? It's not okay. Like spot cream, pale face, and my hair. What on earth? I'm just sat here editing this vlog and a Sisters and Seekers haul, which the haul will probably go up in like a couple of weeks, but this vlog I want to get up soon. This was just like more of a chill vlog. I wasn't doing too much, but I wanted to do a separate vlog for Manchester just because I am doing quite a lot, so I thought why not make them 2 separate. But yeah, it's just a kind of like spend the day / spend the week with me. I was just editing back the vlog. It looks like yesterday that I just had a sandwich fin to eat and that's it. No, that sandwich fin was the first thing I ate that day, but it was just because I was so busy. I did also have a matcha while I was out as well, but I didn't show that. My laptop's so loud. I don't know if you can hear the fan. So loud. I need to get a new laptop, but iMacs are just so expensive, and I need an iMac because it has iMovie, but oh god, it causes me such stress. I need to sort it out, but I'll probably do that in the new year. I'm gonna carry on editing and I'll probably come back to you maybe later. My name on Dress to Impress is so funny. It's a bit of an inside joke with me and my boyfriend. So me and my friend are doing duos. We're doing Kendall and Kylie Met Gala because it's a celebrity event. So hopefully it goes okay. We've never duoed before, so we don't really know how it's going to go. I didn't finish doing the pom-poms. Oh no. Yeah, I didn't finish the pom-poms. Gutted. I feel like we should turn this into a Dress to Impress video. I love watching Dress to Impress videos. That's literally my favourite. So the theme is dark colours. It's a 1. I'm sorry, it's a 1. Again, it's very boring. Very, very boring. This one's cute. I'm liking this. I like the leopard print skirt there. And now it's my turn. Here I come. Let's do this pose. What the? How have they actually just won? My friend's messaging me. She's probably thinking, what on earth? I am cooking my dinner. I'm having spaghetti bolognese. Got my pasta on here. I'm making my vegan mint and mushroom. I've got a lot more mushrooms than normal. I had to use the rest of the packet before it went out of date. Once they have cooked a bit more, I'm going to add this sauce in, add some parsley, pepper and salt, lots of pepper. Got my nutritional yeast. It's in this bowl here, which is, I don't know how to explain nutritional yeast. It's something I discovered since being vegan. It's like these flakes that make your food taste cheesy. A lot of you guys ask, because on Instagram I often post vegan things that I have found. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a whole video of with maybe like vegan finds that I've found over the years, because I've been vegan now for like 7-8 years maybe. I got these the other day from Sainsbury's because I followed this account on Instagram called like vegan food or new vegan food, and they posted these on here. They are vegan gingerbread cakes and they are so nice. If you can eat your dinner without watching something on your phone, I praise you. You are mature. You are a full-on adult, because I'm not. I'm currently watching the GK Barry podcast with Louise Pentland because OG, love her. And my huge bowl of spag bowl. And this on top, not that. That's the vegan cheese. That's the nutritional yeast. That is the goodness. I'm going to eat this all up and watch my podcast. Good morning, everyone. I'm getting ready to drive up to Manchester. All my main makeup is in here and I'm trying to not take anything out of there so I don't like misplace it. So I've been using different products today, but I just used this Maybelline foundation, the Lumi Matte one. It's actually really nice. It definitely is more matte than I would like. Me and Adam booked our last minute holiday last night. It's a bit of a weird story. So basically, when I was about to get my nails done, my manager texted me saying that a company wants to take us away on a last minute holiday in Crete, flights, everything all included. And I was like, great. So I told my boyfriend, asked him if he could get time off. He answered pretty quickly, to be fair, and he was like, yeah, I can, great. Which is so surprising because obviously my boyfriend isn't as flexible. He's an electrician, he works for a company. And we was waiting for confirmation for the rest of the week, and my manager came back to say that they've now given the trip to someone else, which is so annoying because we literally replied as soon as possible and had our minds made up, so we've had to book something just because he's got the time off. I'm so happy that I don't have to do my brows. Like, it's just saved so much time this morning. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. Sorry it was a little bit boring and I wasn't doing anything too exciting. It was more of a like chill, spend a couple of days with me. Hope you liked it anyway. I will be doing a Manchester vlog and possibly a holiday vlog now as well, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.